In this video essay, I will be talking about the Blair Witch Project and talking about the directors/editors that were involved in this project. These two men on the screen were the directors and also the editors of the Blair Witch Project. The guy on the left hand side is Eduardo Sanchez and the guy on the right hand side is Daniel Myrick. Both of them met each other at the University of Central Florida, studying in film school. Little did they know that in the future they would work as partners to create an amazing film. Here's a few facts about the film. They advertised the actors in a local newspaper and they chose the three actors since they were the only responses that they got. They also didn't use scripts, they were just given notes that the actors were told to improvise on in their own way. And the whole film was very budgeted, with a 60k budget. They used cheap cameras, no CGI, no lighting, no sound recorders, and no props. Absolutely nothing, which is why I love the film, but for the absolute rawness. The type of film is a found footage documentary, making the viewers think that they're watching a real documentary. This really grabs the viewer's attention and makes this film seem incredibly realistic. The main reason I chose this film was due to the indirect links to threat. Throughout the whole film, we are told stories about this so-called Blair Witch, and we are shown signs that link to it, such as twigs that are interlinked to represent witchcraft. We are teased by this, making the viewers want to watch more as we cannot see the threat directly. The last point I wanted to make will be relevant and will link to our production. At the end of the film, the group are inside of a house where they each split up and the threat is shown by the screaming voices in agony. While in the basement, one friend meets another and he seems to be possessed. He turns around and the camera drops to the floor, leaving all of us puzzled to what happened. This is the indirect links to threat which we will take inspiration from in work of our assignment.